Discuss this new product, revolutionary new product, Clog Never. Prevents the growth of algae and slime in your condensate through a biodegradable chemical distribution, whether it be into the drain pan, depending upon the application, or directly into the drain line. This product helps. It does wonders. It eliminates everything from holding on to the edges of the pipe and clogging up the pipe over time. So we're going to take you through a couple basic installations of this product, Clog Never. So you get a box of the product, rather simple, with some very basic, simple instructions if you want to program it differently. I prefer to use the factory settings. This here is the default set battery pack. It's preset, but again, you can program it. It's a lithium battery, good for 5 years. And basically what we need to energize this is we just press it one time, it lights up, and we connect it to the bottle. So, okay, so the battery pack, we'll go ahead and we'll wake it up. It's sleeping. Just one press, it lights up. This one we can upright, and we can, if you don't have the space, you can set it right next to the machine. You have to have the tube in when you set the bottle upright. And as long as this bottle is higher in the bottle, we can hang this down below on the bracket. Nice ease of maintenance, clean, simple. You got your tube going through your horizontal. Go. Okay, so if there's no space to put the bottle right on top of the fitting, the kit comes with these two fittings, and you can put this here if space does not allow, and then you can basically take your tube out of your pan. Rather, give me 1 second here. Yes, okay, so then you could take your tube, run it right here, run it right through, and then just drop it right in here. You don't need that much tube to go down. I'm just kind of giving you a couple different options here. Voila, there you go. Your condensate line will forever be clear. So to keep your drain line clear and not have to pay enormous service bills, we recommend that you look us up on the web at www.clognever.com. Go ahead and take a look at it.